Just got a couple screwdriver sets here today from Nepros Tools. Let's open them up and see what we got. Hey, what's up YouTube? Dan the Fix-It Man. Got another quick video here for you. Nepros just sent me a couple screwdriver sets to look at today. Now Nepros is the high-end brand or top of the line version of KTC Kyoto Tool Company. These are from Japan. They sent me these really nice screwdriver sets and I just wanted to do a quick little unboxing and review video for you. Let's take a look at this first one here. The part number on this is NTD106. Now this is a 6-piece set and these are the plastic handles. Comes with a little information card here and it comes with a sticker for the toolbox. Nice little compact plastic tray. You can pull this out and maybe set that in your toolbox if you'd like. I like how they have that designed. It's pretty compact. That won't take up a whole lot of room in the drawer. So we've got the 3 flathead on this side and 3 Phillips on this side. Now some of you are probably thinking, no, that's not Phillips. This is a Japanese company. They all use Japanese Industrial Standard or JIS. The description says Phillips, but I did a little bit of reading and research on this design and it sounds like Nepros has their own design that's slightly different than Phillips and also different than JIS. Kind of a universal type of drive for anything that looks remotely like a Phillips or a JIS, basically anything that's a cross or a cross point fastener. So it sounds like Nepros designed their own style or their own design. It's not quite as pointy as a traditional Phillips screwdriver. I guess a bit of a hybrid, so it will reduce cam out and it should work great. Now the first impression overall, these are very heavy duty. This is a very nice grip. I like this. They call this, I think, plastic, but in the email they were saying the resin grip. Now this doesn't feel very plasticky like a lightweight plastic, but it's not like soft rubber or anything like that. It's kind of a hybrid. It doesn't really give like rubber would, but it's not rock hard like lightweight plastic. This is just it's a nice feel. It's kind of hard to describe. This does have a hex bolster. It is a through tang, so it does have a nice striking cap here on the back. Really nice polish on that. Like most Nepros tools, the finish on this tool is very impressive. The chrome on this is just really shiny, really deep, and this is a magnetic tip. It does fit really well in the hand. It's kind of that Japanese style of ball grip. You know, you can fit that in the palm of your hand and really grip that really well and tighten something down. This is a lot nicer than I expected it to be. It looks like a 12mm wrench would fit on that hex bolster and you could really crank down on something if you needed. Now here's the next one. This is a little bit shorter, Phillips number 2. So this one here is a 10mm if you need to put a wrench on that. And then the stubby has a hex bolster right here too, but it's very small. Now I'm not sure why that is so small and you can barely get a wrench on that. So you're probably not going to be able to do a whole lot of torque with this stubby, but you know, again, you're probably not in a high torque situation if you are using something like this. Who knows? As far as the flathead or blade, they feel the same, but take a look at that. Really just a mirror finish. I mean, you can just tell this is a very high quality screwdriver set. This is something that feels really good in the hand, really comfortable to use. And again, it's got that hex bolster and the striking cap on the back. So that's the plastic set. Let's move on to the wood grip set over here. Another little information sheet, and I mean, those are beautiful. Again, we've got another sticker here. Set that aside. But wow, those look amazing. First impression, I am just a little in awe. Very nice set. This would make a really good gift. Now again, it's got this plastic tray, so we could use that as a toolbox insert. What a beautiful screwdriver set this is. Take a look at that. This is a maple wood handle with a very high quality finish on that. Now we've got the same design here, 3 Phillips. This is a 3, 2, and a number 1 size, which is great because this set here does not come with a number 1 Phillips or the smaller flathead screwdriver. Now the finish on these is kind of a reddish mahogany on the Phillips. Now the flathead or blade is more of like a greenish tint here, greenish yellow, and wow, they just feel so nice. I mean, these would be an amazing gift for someone, you know, who is really passionate about tools and the finish of tools. These are just that beautiful. These are very high end, and wow, I'm so happy to have them. Same hex bolster here, so you can put a wrench on there and really crank down on something if you need to. But wow, just definitely a top shelf tool. I mean, this is a type of screwdriver set that you would want to show off. If somebody wants to come over and check out your tools and they see these screwdrivers in the top of your toolbox, You know, of course you probably say, wait, don't use those ones. You know, I know that seems kind of silly to not use tools because I do use all of my tools. These just seemed like they're just so nice. I mean, it's almost like a display case type of tool, but I probably will use them, just definitely not gonna use these on a greasy car or a greasy job. I just wanna keep them nice looking. Now, it is nice though that they do include the #1 Phillips that does not come in the 6-piece plastic handle set, but I did notice that you can buy the plastic handle set as a 4-piece Phillips and a 4-piece blade or slotted, and that does come with the #1 Phillips. So you would have kind of a corresponding set, but then it also includes the stubbies. But here with the wood handle, again, very, very beautiful set. I just can't even say that enough. The finish on the chrome is amazing. The finish on the wood is amazing. It is just a beautiful screwdriver. Definitely the nicest screwdriver set that I've ever seen, and so happy that they sent this to me. You know, I just don't know if I could bring myself to pounding on these with a sledgehammer, but you know, it really just depends on your application or what it is that you're working on. You know, if you're working in an environment that's not extremely dirty or greasy, these might be a better fit for you. I mean, I'll just say it, these are too nice for me. They're really that nice. Now, if I had to choose only one set between the wood grip and the plastic grip or plastic resin grip, it would be these right here. I really am impressed with this. This is a lot nicer than I thought it would be, and I'm a lot more excited about it than I thought it would be. I mean, I knew I would like both of these. Nepros just makes such high quality stuff. The finish is amazing, and you know that it's going to last. It's just a really high quality tool. But this grip right here, the way that that fits in my hand, I'm excited to use this. I'm sure I'm going to be using these quite a bit. This might be my go-to set from now on. And I like the fact that it has the hex bolster, tang all the way through with the striking cap. Now, I do use screwdrivers for prying sometimes. I know you're not supposed to, and a lot of times I end up hitting the backs of screwdrivers, even the non-impact ones. Of course, we've all done that. But this just seems like such a nice high quality that I just think this would hold up so much better to the abuse that I give my tools. You could probably even use this one here in some light demolition work, but I'm really happy with it. If I had to choose one, it's definitely going to be this set here. Or like I mentioned, I might split up and buy the 2 different plastic sets that have the 4 flathead or slotted or blade, and then also the 4 Phillips, which would also have a #1 Phillips. I'm lucky enough to get both sets, and I'm very happy. I hope you guys like this video. Please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you don't mind. That does help me out. Of course, I'll get a link in the description where you can pick these up as well. You can also just go to neprostools.com. Thanks so much for watching, and good luck.